stopping there. Bird wants to go.
Hey, pájaro.
Oh, hi, Louise. Hi,
Big
Olivia.
Bird. How you doing?
Great.
Listen, we stopped by to ask you if you wanted to go to the park with us this afternoon.
Oh, gosh, I'd love to. Only I'm waiting here for my friend, Mr. Snuffleupagus. We're going to play.
Snuffleupagus, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, okay. If you want to pass up a day at the park just to play with an imaginary friend, it's up to you.
Hey, he's not imaginary. He's real.
Right.
Okay, Big Bird,
Okay.
listen, we'll be at the park most of the afternoon, so if you want to join us later, please feel free to come down.
Yeah, come
Wait,
on
why
over.
don't you wait a minute? You'll
See you
probably
later.
meet him.
Bye.
But wait. Wait, if you'd only wait, you'd meet him. Then you'd know he was real. He's not imaginary. Hey. Oh, boy.
Oh, Bird, what's wrong? You seem highly agitated and vastly upset.
Well, hi, Snuffy. Well, I am, too. You know what? They won't believe in you. They think you're just imaginary.
Oh, Bird, don't be upset. Why, I don't care if they don't believe I'm real. So why should you care?
Well-
We both know I'm real. Besides, Bird, we're best friends. So it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks.
Oh, maybe you're right.
Oh, let them say that I'm not real, 'cause all that matters is the way we feel.
They can't see you, but I don't care. A friend like you is much too rare. Friend, you're my best friend. Our friendship starts where other friendships end.
They don't believe that I can be, but you do, Bird, and that's enough for me.
If they just knew you like I do, they'd want to be your best friend too. Friend, you're my best friend. Our friendship starts where other friendships end.
When I'm with you, I want to sing tra-la-la-la-la-la-la.
And when I'm with you, it's always spring. You make me feel I'm 10 feet tall, and you know I'm only 8 feet too.
And if I get stuck, oops, you always help me out. You know I do the same for you.
I know.
You stick by me, I'll stick by you. No matter what they say or what they do. Who cares if their doubting mounts? We like each other, that's what counts. Friend, you're my best friend. Our friendship starts where other friendships end. A perfect pair. We make a perfect blend. You're my best friend. You're my best friend. You're my best friend.
Oh, Snuff.
Oh,